Number 5. Coleman Sundome Camping Tent. This dome tent that's a game changer for your outdoor adventures. With a sturdy frame designed to withstand 35+ miles per hour winds, this tent is a reliable choice for all your camping needs. The WeatherTech system with patented welded floors and inverted seams ensures that you stay dry no matter the weather conditions. No need to worry about water seeping in and ruining your camping experience. The large windows and ground vent provide optimal ventilation, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the night. You can say goodbye to stuffy, sweaty camping trips with this tent. Storage pockets sewn into the tent's walls make it easy to keep your essentials close at hand. No more fumbling around in the dark for your flashlight or phone. And let's not forget the e-port, which allows for easy access to electrical power inside your tent. Stay connected and powered up even when you're out in the middle of nature. One thing to keep in mind is the size. At 7 by 5 feet with a 4-foot center height, this tent is cozy but may feel a bit tight for taller campers. However, this compact size also makes it perfect for backpacking trips. Overall, the Coleman Sundome Camping Tent is a reliable, well-designed option for campers looking for a durable tent that can withstand the elements. Check it out for your next adventure.